Hey guys, me again, back in the bath with my JoJo oil. So you can only assume it's that certain time of, I was gonna say time of the month, but that just sounds weird. But it's time to stretch my ears. Now I know what you're thinking. Whoa, Luke. You only stretched up to a 0 about 2 months ago. So isn't the regulatory time to stretch to a 00 4 months? You would be right, you'd be correct. But I've been noticing recently that my ears are very stretchy. Very, very stretchy because I use my JoJo's oil. And I just thought, let me take the old plugs out, the old tunnels, and let me just try to put this taper in. And if you see here, I got myself let me just get it out the case, hold on. Take off the little O-rings, hold on. Taper. And I'm like, let me just try. So you guys are gonna try with me because I'm very confident that my ears are very stretchy and, I don't know, I think I got some good ears right now. I think I've been taking care of them, so let's just give it a shot up to 00, okay? And I hope you guys are enjoying my mullet, given to me by Olivia. She says she needs to touch it up again, but I don't know, I like it, I love it. But anyway, back to the video. 00. Hopefully this doesn't hurt. Small side, in the old ear canal. Okay. Oh wait, before I do that, let's get a little extra JoJo oil because you can never get enough. Here we go. And it smells pretty good. And then put it on the old ear so it gets a lot of elasticity and health and stuff. All that good stuff. Okay, here we go. Now we're stretching. Now we're stretchy and JoJo'd out. Obviously, I've washed my hands prior to filming and everything, guys. Not an idiot. Here we go. Like I said, don't know how this is gonna go. I got a good feeling though. Here we go. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I don't feel anything. I felt nothing. I told you guys. Look at that. I don't feel nothing. Let's grab a plug to keep it in there. I got these black ones for now, but I have these really cool, rocky ones. Not rocky, but they're translucent and purple and they're really awesome. Okay. Take this out. Okay. I can't believe that. I mean, maybe it's the wrong size. No way. It's totally bigger. Right? That's totally one's bigger than the other, right? Let's see if it goes in fine, then it'll be the real test. Oh yeah, see, these are always different. So it's in now. I hate putting the plugs in after the taper because the taper just feels so easy, and then these are just not that it hurts or anything, it just doesn't. It just doesn't feel it just feels weird. I don't know, that was the worst explanation anyone's ever given for anything. Oh, this is making me so happy, guys. This is the biggest size I have ever been. 00, and I love it. Look at my earlobes, are so fat. There's so much earlobe that regular earrings never looked good on me, and I've always liked stretching my ears, and now that I do what I want, but now, guys, this is where the sketchiness comes in because I don't know if you know this. This ear right here, this one that you're looking at right here, it's been chopped in half before. Yeah, dead serious. I got stitches in this earlobe from a trampoline accident. Dead serious. So it's been chopped in half, and now there's stitches holding it together. I can feel. I mean, it's clearly my ears are fused together, so I'm not worried. But I don't know. Has anyone ever heard of someone stretching their ears with stitches in it? I'd really like to hear, if I should stop or if it's okay that I keep going. And if no one has heard that, I will be the test dummy. So, oh god, got the taper. We're already oiled up. Hopefully this is easy again. Okay. You guys see? 3. Let's push a little more. Okay, 2. Are we already all the way like in? 1? Okay, this one's giving a little more resistance. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna go slowly. Okay, nice and slow. Alright, I'm not feeling anything. Is it going through? Alright. Went through with these. Let's grab that other one. Went through with ease. Yeah, like I said, I didn't feel a thing. I'm not feeling a thing with these, man. I hate putting in these damn plugs. I hate it. It feels weird. Okay. Why can't they just make the taper that breaks off? Ooh, that's a smart idea. I swear, it doesn't make any sense. You guys just saw me put that in, right? I'm always so scared because of this. The little edge. Makes it weird. And now my back's hurting from bending down talking to y'all, but you know, it's worth it for the vid. Okay, so there. That's on. Let's just go through. We just did it, right? Ow. See, it's hurting. It's because that stupid lip. I'm telling you, it's that dumb lip. Always hurts my ear. Let's just, you know what? Let's just double make sure that this went through fine. It did, right, guys? We all saw it. Look at that. Nothing. It's in there. I'm gonna have a little bit more oil because we're not trying to have any issues because we don't want to use any tissues. Okay? No tissues. More oil. Let's get this bad boy in. Come on now. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Ow. It's hurting. I don't understand. I don't get it because I just put that stupid thing in. And now this other stupid thing won't go in. This one's in fine. This is annoying me. This is really annoying me. Maybe the stitches are interfering? I highly doubt it though. So how could I get a same size thing in there, but I can't get the plug in? Doesn't make much sense. Doesn't make much sense at all. I should just like push it through, but I just don't want to. Like it's in there. Like if I do this, it's in. But it's that dumb lip. Oh, I hate it. The lip. You can't do the lip. Can't do it. I can't do it, guys. I'm not gonna do it. The lip is pissing me off. I'm just gonna leave this tape around. Wear the tape around. That's what I'll do. Psych! Thought you'd catch me slipping. Not allowed to do that. I am gonna leave that in there though for a bit. And come back and try to put it in. I'm gonna be back. I'll be back and that'll be in my ear. Alright, I just got it. Literally, I have to turn on the camera. I'm gonna try to do it again. So I put the taper in. And then what I did was I put this right here. And then I just pretended it was the taper. And I'm like, okay, yeah. Taper's going through, yeah. Legit just went in and now it won't go. Oh no, it did go. This one had a little... Oh, my hair's stuck in it. What the frick? Okay. So this one had a little bit of a more tension on this side. But I think it'll be okay. It feels okay. You know, let it settle. But yeah, 00 stretch. I knew it was going to be easy. Mr. Elastic Ear. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment down below how they look. What do you guys think? Probably get some new jewelry soon, but well, I already have some, but I'll probably switch it out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.